Here we will write the program to print sum of GP series, that is geometrical progress. Formula for calculating geometrical series is first number into 1 minus common ratio raised to nth term plus 1 divided by 1 minus common ratio. First we will define a class. Here we are going to accept the first term, common ratio and nth term. So we will define 3 variables and we will define another 2 variables, one for storing the sum value which is initialized with 0, Tn, and Gpn which is used to print the series. Then we will define the constructor with 3 parameters. Then we will assign these constructor variables to local variables. Then we will define method. First we will use for loop for int j equal to 1, j less than or equal to nth term and j plus plus, and here we will calculate the series. So Gpn equal to math dot power Cr, that is common ratio, and j, and we will print this. After completing this we will calculate the sum equal to G1, that is first term, into 1 minus math dot power Cr, that is common ratio, comma nth term plus 1, and this whole divided by 1 minus common ratio. This is the formula for calculating the sum. Then we find the last term, Tn equal to first term into math dot power common ratio Cr and NTRM, that is nth term minus 1, and then we will print it. The nth term of GP series is, that is geometrical progress series, comma Tn, and sum of GP series is. To execute this in another class main method, we will create object of this. Before that we will accept 3 values, first term, common ratio, and number of terms. So we will define 3 variables. In G1 we will accept it by converting it to int32. Then we will accept the common ratio. In Cr we will accept it, and then we will accept the number of terms. In NTRM we will accept it. Then we will create object of our class and we will pass the value G1, Cr, and NTRM, that is nth term, and we will call the method from that class display series, and we will execute it. I will enter first number as 1, common ratio is 10, and number of terms 5. It will print it. Here we have entered number of terms 5, but we have started the loop from 0, so it will print 6 numbers.